Hello everyone. This video is in lieu with getting you familiar with the OpenAPI Java parser and how exactly it works. So let me redirect to the source file. Once you run the npm clean package, you can actually see this OpenAPI Java parser generated. Just go to CMD. Currently, since we are in version 1.2.1, so you cannot have some executable running. Alternative to that is just running this jar file. So I want the exact uh, absolute path of this jar file. Uh, Once that is done, I would want to specify the source file for OpenAPI specification. You can just redirect it to the IntelliJ and get the source file from here itself. That's in the source main resources openapi.yml. Just copy the complete path, not the relative path. Once you do that, then you specify the output directory, which let's say I have users, I have idea projects, and then I'll just name it as generated SDK. Following which I need to mention the dependencies that I need to have. So I'll be using OKHTTP, SLF4J, and Jackson data bind. And also the type of request that I want to have is should be following the OKHTTP 3 specification. So it's like the library that I'm going to use to send the request is going to follow, going to use OKHTTP. So once I hit enter, this generates the project successfully in this directory. Given this directory does not exist, it can actually create one directory for you as well. So if I can see, I have the generated SDK here, and once that is done, you can just load the project as a maven project, and IntelliJ will do the setup for you. We have all the dependencies loaded in here. Now the versions keep on changing, so I encourage, if you are even using this generated SDK, then you should upgrade to the latest version possible. And our source files would be here. The API, we have the API wrapper in Java, and that is exactly how things work from my API, like from my generator client SDK generator. Makes sense? Then do consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more such projects. Thank you.